put it in perspective, this is gaming on a smartphone. It has a screen size of 6.52 inches, which is a little more than average nowadays. This is gaming on a tablet. It's a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 with an 11-inch screen, and playing games on it is definitely an upgrade from any smartphone. Now, this is the 14-inch touchscreen portable monitor from WIMAXIT, and this will guaranteed be my new default way of playing games from now on. Because, as you probably know, once you hold 14 inches in your hands, you will never want to play again with 6. Hold up, wait. When you first receive your WIMAXIT 14-inch portable touch monitor, you will be greeted with a sleek white box that, like many other products nowadays, is reminiscent to the signature Apple packaging style. Not that is a bad thing, I personally like it. Upon opening the box, you will find a variety of accessories, but the first thing that you will notice after removing the top protective layer is the monitor and the fast charger. The monitor comes already in its smart cover, which has a nice feel to it, something of a leather-like texture. The fast charger, which in this case acts more as a power brick because you cannot charge the monitor, has a 10 watts capacity, which may not be blazing fast for charging phones, but which offers all the power the monitor needs. After removing the second protective layer, we'll find a microfiber cloth, a HDMI to mini HDMI cable, papers, because why not, a power-only USB-A to USB-C cable, which is not a power-only cable because I've used it for data transfer and it works just fine. And last but not least, a data transfer and power USB-C to USB-C cable, which will most probably be the only cable that you'll ever need and use with this monitor. If you use the HDMI cable, for example, then you need also the power cable, which you have to use it with a charger, with a fast charger, or you can connect it to a PC or laptop. On the other hand, if you use this cable, the USB-C to USB-C, then you don't need something else. The monitor has two USB-C ports, a mini HDMI port, a headphone jack, and a small button/wheel for settings. You can use either of the USB-C ports for power, both being identical in performance and usability. Now, this is the part of the video where one normally will go into detail about color accuracy, contrast, pixel density and such. However, I will not do that. If this is your thing, then there are a lot of other YouTubers who covered this detail for this exact model and probably did a better job than I will ever do. In layman's terms, I say the image quality is great, is way better than my laptop's monitor, and that's all the comparing I need. But what I will focus on, what is my point of interest personally, is the touchscreen quality. And most importantly, will this monitor be good enough for gaming? And I'm not talking about using it as a portable monitor for Nintendo Switch or Android phones while playing with a controller. No, I mean literally as a phone or a tablet replacement. Now, I've already did some online touchscreen testing, and while that's fun enough, it still does not translate into gaming capabilities. Because I have a Samsung device, I can directly connect the monitor to it without any other type of adapter. For other brands, you'll probably need some sort of HDMI or video card adapter. If you guys want me to go into detail about this type of things, leave a message in the comments and I will make a video about it. And gaming. Gaming on this size is just great. I cannot stress enough how much I like it. It might take a while for you to get hold of it, especially if you have smaller hands like yours truly, but once you got the hang of it, it's just great. I had my fair share of mobile gaming in the past, and by fair share I mean that I used to play so much until the game's menu literally burned into my phone screen. So yeah, I know how uncomfortable can be playing from a small screen. That's why the majority of my devices were tablets. From the infamous Nvidia Shield all the way to the present where I have this Galaxy Tab S8, which is a beast I have to say. It's blazing fast, I never had a hiccup in performance, but which has two bigger siblings, the S8 Plus and the S8 Ultra. The latter, the S8 Ultra, it's also a 14-inch tablet, the same size as our monitor, but which can also be 14 inches more expensive. Yeah, the price for that thing is just ridiculous, so that's why I would vote for a monitor like this any day of the week. I played every day some good amount of hours, tried multiple games and never had a single hiccup. The colors are great and the image is very clean. You can easily get lost in the experience and forget that this is a monitor and not a tablet. And the best part is that while gaming, thanks to the cover, you don't even feel the weight. The cover acts as a stand and I just have to hold the balance, making it basically weightless in my hands. In conclusion, the WIMAXIT 14-inch portable monitor is an excellent device for gaming, especially for those who prefer to play on larger screen size. With a sleek design, quality touch function, and impressive performance, the monitor provides a seamless gaming experience that rivals that of any tablet. Moreover, the smart cover makes it weightless in the hands and easy to hold, allowing you for longer hours of gaming without causing any discomfort. Overall, if you are in need of an upgrade from your smartphone or tablet, the WIMAXIT 14-inch portable touch monitor, it's a great option that will not put a hole in your pockets. That's it for today's review. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.